Get ready for high precision stabilization with the Benro X-Series 3XM Professional Stabilizer. Ideal for cameras up to 3.9 pounds. The 3XM features CNC machining with an innovative design. Its collapsible handle makes it perfect for traveling light. Its ergonomic silicone grip provides comfortable handling at all times. By turning the button on the handle, you can quickly and easily convert your 3XM from high angle to low angle mode, making it simple to track low moving objects or achieve a low 360-degree shot comfortably, putting less strain on your wrist and giving you incredible results. With its 13-hour battery life, the 3XM is guaranteed to keep up with you during the most extensive days of shooting. With its multifunctional camera control, you can easily select and control your desired camera movements. By pressing down on the Mode On side button function, you can switch between different shooting modes. With Universal Follow Mode, or Pink Mode, it provides smooth camera movements toward the direction you're aiming. You would use this mode when making several dynamic camera movements following a subject. Lockdown Mode, or Blue Mode, keeps the camera locked on a subject while moving the gimbal. With this mode, you can replicate movements similar to a jib or slider. And Horizontal Follow Mode, or Red Mode, provides smooth movement based on where you move the camera horizontally. You would use this mode when doing a lot of dynamic panning movements around corners. And by using the directional button in conjunction with these modes, you can flawlessly control your movements. The threaded receiver allows for additional attachments, giving you even more flexibility with your shots. And with the companion smartphone app, you can calibrate your 3XM, operate it remotely, adjust parameters, update the firmware, create a panorama, or create a beautiful time-lapse with dynamic motion. Boost your production value while traveling light and compact with the Benro X-Series 3XM Stabilizer.